This is the view from our campsite of Scott's and Bob and Sandy's houses. The power plant is in the distance over on the left-hand side there. The Calgon plant is in the far distance. We're moving around to look across 7th Street. And on the left you see a white triangle. That's Paul and Betty's Christmas tree in front of their RV. Going along the backside of the 7th Street RVs, and in the right-hand side coming up is the string of lights behind the ranch house. I'm now turning around and we're going to go down 4th Street heading toward the east. And on the far left you see again the triangle of Paul and Betty's Christmas tree. We'll use that as a reference point a couple more times. Now at the end of 3rd and 4th Streets, we're going to be turning to the right. In a moment, we're going to turn to the right. There we are. And we're going to go down almost in between 3rd and 4th Streets. I believe the horizontal white lights and the stairway are the stairs going up into Laura and Larry's trailer. The line of lights across the top of the screen are the lights along 6th Street, the overnight row. We're now at the office. On the left is the flagpole, which I think is 75 feet high, and I'm flying at 50 feet. So I'm kind of going over to the right so I can avoid crashing into it. We're looking at the back side of the office, going over into the parking lot. The upper right you see the sign for Sonoran Desert RV Park. At the very top of the screen is the dumpster surround. Now we'll see the front of the office and moving over again toward the flagpole. Here I'm backing up so I can avoid hitting the flagpole. I'm not sure if this is John and Rhonda's RV, but it's along Main Street. I'm actually not sure where I am at this point, but I'm over in the area of 3rd and 4th Streets and Main Street, panning around, heading across lots. I'm heading toward home. I've speeded up a little bit. The battery is getting a little low in the drone. See Paul and Betty's Christmas tree again as I overfly. Now I've angled the camera down in preparation for landing. You can see my flashlight moving around on the ground down there.